welcome back to my channel. Today I figured I'd decorate my mantle and I figured I'd bring you guys along. So if you want to see that, I'd love to have you and stick around. Okay, so this is the first time I'm using this garland. I've never used it before. This is the first time I'm actually even taking it out of the box. I got it at Home Depot. It was Martha Stewart. It has like gold tips on it. See? It has gold tips on it. See? I figured I'd try this for the mantle. Why is this thing so much shorter? Now, I mean, this is not that full of a garland, so I'm going to add like a full bunch of picks to it and different things to it because this is the only one I have left. So I got these picks. They're so pretty. They're Frosty Greenery. I got them at Dollar Tree. So we're going to use some of these to fill it in. I'm going to take a couple more of these. Now I want some of these to like hang down. It's like be like very full, but like dreamy, and you know, just want it to look nice. These, now I don't remember, I think I got these at the thrift store. These are really nice too. These are cedar. They're just a different color, a little bit bigger. I'm gonna put some of these in there. Maybe I'll drink this way. This is how it's coming along. Throw a little bit in here. Okay, so I would say let's find the middle of the strand of lights. This way we have lights on each side that's equal. So I found the middle. My God, it took me like 10 minutes to get this all intertwined, unwound, whatever. You know what I mean? So I guess we'll start here. Okay, so we're almost at the end. Okay, so while I was at Walmart, I found these. I thought they were so pretty, look. Aren't they pretty? I figured that would go really nice with the fireplace. These were only like $2.98. I just think they're so pretty. All right, so these are also from Dollar Tree. See, you don't need $1 million to like make a beautiful mantle. Okay, so it's It's raining out and it's very dark, so I figured let me put all the lights on in the house so this way you could see what it really looks like. So it was getting so dark. So I ripped out the silver ones. I'm gonna try the gold ones because I didn't like the way it looked once I put the lights on. So I just want little things to poke out. Nothing major. You know, but I want something that's gonna make it twinkle. You know, a little jewelry for the garland. So this is just one stem that I'm cutting. Okay, so I found some pine cones that I'm going to add to it. And I found some berries and little pine cones. I don't know if I'm gonna keep these, but let's try it. Let's see what it looks like. So I'm gonna take you down and I'm gonna make you look at it.